In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mailchimp sign-up forms using Jotform. We'll start inside your Jotform workspace. From the dashboard, head to the Create button to start a new build. Choose Form to open Jotform's form options, then browse the available templates. Using a template speeds things up and ensures best practices are already in place. Select Use Template to continue. From the template gallery, pick the new customer registration form. It's a solid starting point for collecting basic subscriber details. Click Use Template again and the form will load in the builder so you can make it your own. Now, customize the form to match your brand and data needs. Update the title and description, adjust colors and fonts if you like, and review the fields. Make sure the email field is present and set as required, since this is the key to adding contacts to your Mailchimp audience. If you plan to segment your audience later, you can keep fields like name or interest selections so you have data to map over. Keep the form simple and clear to maximize signups. When your form looks good, switch to the Settings tab at the top. Open Integrations, then search for and select Mailchimp. Choose Authenticate to connect your Mailchimp account. A window will prompt you to log in and authorize the connection. Confirm the permissions so Jotform can add new submissions to your audience. Once connected, choose the Mailchimp list you want to add subscribers to by opening Select List and picking the correct audience name. Next, map your fields. Open Select Field and point the Mailchimp email field to the email field in your form. At minimum, email must be mapped. You can map additional fields like first name if your template includes them. When everything looks correct, click Save to finalize the integration. At this point, the form is connected to Mailchimp. For uninterrupted sending and access to advanced features, head over to your Mailchimp home. Open the Profile or Account menu. Go to Account and Billing, then Billing. Under Billing Information, review your details and choose Add Payment Method if you need to set or update one. Keeping this current helps prevent any service interruptions as your audience grows. That's it. You created a Jotform using a template, customized it for clean data collection, connected it to your Mailchimp audience, mapped the essential fields, and reviewed your Mailchimp billing setup so your sign-up flow runs smoothly once subscribers start coming in.